Meaning of decilitre.
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 Decilitre. A deciliter is a metric unit of volume commonly used in laboratory and medical contexts. It is equal to 1/10 of a liter, or 100 milliliters. This measurement is often used to express the quantities of fluids such as blood or urine. For example, a doctor may measure the amount of urine passed by a patient in a 24-hour period and report the result as a certain number of deciliters. Because it is a metric unit, the deciliter is part of the International System of Units, SI, used by most countries worldwide.